Alright guys, today we got a Honda Accord here, V6 engine. We're gonna change the battery. This is the first time I'm doing it on this Accord. So this is the battery right here, and we got ourselves a new battery down here. So this is the AGM battery, cold cranking app, very important. Anything above 700 I would recommend. So this is 710 cold cranking amps. So we're gonna take this battery and put it into this vehicle. So we're gonna come up. So first of all, what I got here is a jump box. What I'm doing here is I'm saving the memory. That means you don't lose a radio code. If you're gonna go for inspection, you don't lose memory of the ECM. So what I did was here, I got this on positive and I grounded it down here. That's all I'm doing here, okay? So what I wanna do is I'm gonna remove this for a second and I'm gonna loosen up this terminal, okay? That's all I'm gonna do because this is connected right onto that bolt, okay? There you go. If you lose power, it's fine. Just make sure you have a radio code. And if you're going for inspection, you're gonna have to drive the car for about 90 miles. So first, we're gonna remove this bracket here, okay? So this bracket has a 10 millimeter here, deep socket. It's a long hook down here, and one back here. So this has a little bit of modification here. You might not have this, but you're just gonna take off this 10 millimeter here. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna take it off completely. Usually I don't take these off completely. And the only reason why we're taking it off completely because this is modification here. And the phone always rings when I'm recording. That's fine. I'm gonna take this hook off. If it comes off, if anything, I'll just lift it up this way. Okay, there's two bolts. Okay, usually you will only have one bolt here. I'm gonna put this on the ground. So what we're gonna do is come a little bit closer. We're gonna disconnect this sensor, okay? Make sure you connect this sensor. It's still recording. That's good. We're gonna loosen the 10 millimeter here. And always take off the negative first. Put it to the side. And the positive comes off. I'm gonna have my buddy here just hold it like that with one hand. Okay, don't let it come off. And this comes off. Should take only 5 minutes to do this. This guy comes out. Okay, I'm gonna get a small rag. I'm gonna clean this oil or acid out a little bit. And this means his battery was leaking. That's what this means. And what I'll do is I'll just, all the dirt and debris in there comes out. Make sure this sits back in the spot. And we're gonna grab the new battery. She's gonna sit there. We're gonna remove the two little covers. We're gonna put this little jacket on, good for the battery. And now we're gonna put the positive in first. Reverse procedure is the other way around. Put the positive, take off the negative first, put the positive on first, put the negative on. We're gonna connect this. And I'm gonna tighten this terminal. Okay, and I'm gonna take off my jump box here. We did not lose any power there. There should be no loss of power in this vehicle. If, like I said, if you do lose power, you probably have radio codes. Your memory of the ECM has been reset. If you're going for inspection, make sure this connector here, sometimes it doesn't go all the way. Just push it a few times. Sometimes you will get a check charging sign in the dash. So we're almost done. We're gonna take this hook. This hook goes in the back here. Okay, I'm gonna have to go underneath this. It's a little tricky because the new battery has a handle. So the hook goes on the bottom there. And also, you see the hook here? Same thing in the front and back. There you go. So this is pretty much done, okay? And tighten this, don't go crazy because you will crack the battery. So over here, we never turned that little bolt. We're gonna put this little hook here. Okay, I don't know how I'm gonna get that there. A little bit more, I'm gonna loosen this side up. You're not gonna have this issue because unless you have the same modification here. There you go. Let's tighten this up. There you go, we're pretty much done. And I'm gonna put the little washer here and the little screw here. This holds this intake down. Okay, that's it. Make sure you check your terminal, they're not loose. And we're good to go. One more thing. This little spray right here, battery protector, good stuff. Spray this on to the battery here and here on the terminals. And that's it. Put this cover back on. That's it. Thank you for watching my video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. See you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.